2004 Beck built custom pool home on 0.34 acre in gated, golf course community. This beautiful home has double-door entry, brick facing on front, great room, formal dining floor plan, 4 bedrooms/2.5 baths/3-car garage, new carpet in 3 bedrooms, new tile flooring throughout, new light fixtures, new granite and cabinets in all baths, double walk-in closets in master, walk-in closets in 3 bedrooms, Corian in kitchen, double oven, center island, large laundry room with sink, central vac, high flat and tray ceilings, Plantation shutters, security system, pavers in pool area, diamond Brite finish on pool, fountain, new screening. New AC installed in 2018. Truly move-in ready.